Listen up, Chuck. I got some of this vinyl paneled stone, Fox stone, whatever you want to call it. Gonna go up about wainscot high. I'm guessing about 42 inches. I gotta come up with a zephyr and keep the water off the building. Let me show you how I do it. Make sure you're drilling holes in the J channel. I'm gonna take a little junk this siding. We're just gonna take the flange out of it. I'm gonna put it in here just for some backer. Now, when I was ripping this whole side of the house down, I made sure to go ahead and make marks where the siding was. All the way down in every J channel. That way I know exactly where my siding needs to line up again to meet the rest of the house. And that's how I'm going to make this happen. You may have a different way, and I'd love to hear it. That's just how I'm doing it. If you don't know,
Now you know.